countable and uncountable nouns. Use countable nouns for things you can count one by one. They can be singular or plural. Example: I have 3 apples on the table. Example: there are 2 chairs in the kitchen. Use uncountable nouns for things you do not count one by one. They usually do not have a plural form. Example: there is water in the glass. Example: I need rice for dinner. Use many with countable plural nouns. Use many with countable plural nouns. It means a large number of things or people. Example: there are many books on the shelf. Example: many children are in the park. Do not use many with a singular noun. The noun after many is usually plural. Example: I see many cars in the street. Example: she has many photos on her phone. Use much with uncountable nouns. Use much with uncountable nouns. It means a large amount of something. Example: there is much milk in the bottle. Example: we do not have much time today. Much is common in questions and negative sentences. In positive sentences, a lot often sounds more natural. Example: do you have much money? Example: I do not drink much coffee. Questions with how much and how many. Use how many to ask about a number. The noun after it is plural and countable. Example: how many eggs are in the box? Example: how many students are in your class? Use how much to ask about an amount. The noun after it is uncountable. Example: how much water is in the bottle? Example: how much sugar do you want? Too much and too many. Use too many with countable plural nouns when the number is more than good or needed. Example: there are too many people on the bus. Example: I have too many messages on my phone. Use too much with uncountable nouns when the amount is more than good or needed. Example: there is too much salt in the soup. Example: he watches too much TV at night. Examples: There are many oranges in the basket. I do not have much homework tonight. How many pencils are on the desk? How much juice is in the glass? There are too many toys on the floor. There is too much rain today. Do you have many friends at school? She does not eat much bread. How many cups are in the cupboard? How much cheese is on the pizza? There are many birds in the tree. We do not need much oil for the salad. There are too many shoes by the door. The baby drinks too much milk. Quiz. Choose an option. Many. There are many apples in the bowl. Choose an option. Much. I do not have much time now. Choose an option. How many? How many books are in your bag? Choose an option. How much? How much water do you drink? Choose an option. Too many. There are too many plates on the table. Choose an option. Too much. There is too much sugar in my tea. Choose an option. Many. Do you see many stars tonight? Choose an option. Much. We do not need much flour for this cake. Choose an option. How many? How many dogs are in the garden? Choose an option. How much? How much soup is in the pot? Choose an option. Many. She has many flowers in her room. Choose an option. Much. He does not eat much meat.